Good morning, the students of class 4, Modern International School, Hiswa. Dear students, I Om Prakash Sharma is standing before you to teach the poem Hush Little Baby, whose poet is Mother Goose. Dear student, in this poem, Mother Goose described how the parents keep the baby to stop from weeping, crying. For it, there are so many ways, such as lullaby. Lullaby means telling him, telling the baby some sweet song, gentle song, so that the baby keep quiet, stop crying. Often it has been seen that many parents keep their babies to tell the sweet song, soft song, so that their babies keep quiet, stop crying. So, in this poem, the parents keep the baby on the lap and sing. Mother sing, hush little baby, don't say a word. Papa is going to buy you a mockingbird. That means the mother tells the baby to keep quiet, be silent, don't crying, and your father is going to buy you a mockingbird. Mockingbird means singing word, any type of copying word, dear student. And if that mockingbird wants singing, Papa is going to buy a diamond ring. Suppose that the father brought the mockingbird and that is failure, that is not singing. In that condition, Papa is going to buy another things such as diamond ring. Dear students, diamond rings, that means anguthi हीरे की. And if that diamond ring turns brass, Papa is going to buy you a looking glass. Again the mother tells the baby, if the diamond ring convert into brass, then Papa is going to buy a looking glass. That means it will be the toy of playing for the babies. But the baby don't stop crying. Then the mother said again, and that looking glass gets broke, Papa is going to buy you Billy Goat. Dear student, and this poem, the poet Mother Goose described, because mostly babies are playing with toys, and glass is such things that mostly baby broke it. And that condition, when the baby is crying, to stop his crying, the mother said again, Papa is going to buy for him a Billy Goat. Next, and if that Billy Goat won't pull, Papa is going to buy you a cart and a bull. Again mother tells her babies to keep him on her lap. If the Billy Goat won't pull, that means Billy Goat is not able to work, then again your father will going to buy a cart and bull. That means a बैल गाड़ी. If the cart and bull turn over, dear student, next stanza. If the cart and bull turn over, then Papa going to buy you a dog named. Again, lines. If the cart and bull turned over, perhaps it will also fail. In that condition, your father will bought a dog named Rover. Because, dear students, a toy dog are such things which baby like it and wants to play with it. And if the dog named Rover bark, Papa is going to buy you a horse and cart. Again, the question will rise, and the mother tells to stop crying to her baby. If the dog named Rover won't bark, that means the dog will unable to bark. In that condition, your father will go to buy a horse and a cart. That means tanga. Dear student, you have seen tanga. Tanga runs with the help of horse because the horse pulls the cart. And last stanza, if that horse and cart fall down, you will still be the sweetest little baby in the town. Suppose that the last effort will be failed, then your father will take him in the town and give you the sweetest things that little baby wants. Dear students, thus there are so many types of means. The mother tells her baby to keep quiet, stop crying, and sing a sweet song like this poem rhyme. Such type of rhyme many mothers do like this. Dear student, if you have any problem, you can ask me on my phone or on my personal WhatsApp. Thanks.